Hello everyone! Are you looking for the best Victorinox watches for men? Our criteria for ranking include features, style, value, and popularity. We've included a wide variety of Victorinox models to help you find the best watch for your needs. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 10. Victorinox Alliance Sport Watch. Black dial enhanced by a luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over with push button release clasp. Case size 44 millimeters. Band color silver tone. Dial color black. Bezel material fixed. Calendar date. Special features chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Movement quartz. Number 9. Victorinox Unisex 241618. Swiss-made 41mm stainless steel chronograph featuring gunmetal guilloche dial and stainless steel bracelet with push-button deploying safety clasp. Features hypoallergenic stainless steel, scratch-resistant triple-coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, and luminescent hands. Water-resistant to 100 meters, 10 ATM, 330 feet. Suitable for swimming or snorkeling, but not for scuba diving. Includes date calendar, tachymeter, small second and 30-minute counter, and applied numeral. Number 8. Victorinox Maverick Chronograph. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Buckle clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 12.5 millimeters. Band material leather. Band size men's standard. Band width 22 millimeters. Band color brown. Dial color blue. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function unidirectional. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Watch. Distinguished look. The stainless steel bracelet not only gives this watch a classic, sophisticated look, but is also highly resilient. Dive deeper. Take on the day fearlessly on hikes, in the pool, or diving in the ocean. The I.N.O.X. is equipped to go down to depths of 200 meters, making this diving watch the ultimate explorer. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Fold over clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 13.58 millimeters. Number 6. Victorinox FieldForce Sport GMT. Dial window material type sapphire. Display type analog. Buckle clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Band material genuine rubber. Band width 0.8 inches. Band color orange. Dial color black. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 330 feet. Number 5. I.N.O.X. Titanium by Victorinox Swiss Army. A smooth rubber strap wraps your wrist in soft comfort for a perfect fit day or night. Etched lines in the band give a chain link appearance, making this watch suitable for work, the weekend, and a night out. Titanium watch case crafted from sandblasted titanium for a smooth, matte finish. Lightweight and hypoallergenic, this watch is functionable and fashionable with a blue second hand to match the strap. Dial color, gray. Bezel material, titanium. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, date. Item weight, 3.2 ounces. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 4. Swiss Army 241845. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, scratch-resistant sapphire. Display type, analog. Tang buckle clasp. Case material, 45 millimeters. Case diameter, 45 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Band material, textile. Band width, 22 millimeters. Band color, orange. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Calendar, date. Special features, date, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army. Comfortable wear, stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap with etched lines. Dependable Swiss quality. High-quality materials are carefully crafted. Band width, 23 millimeters. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, luminous. Item weight, 4.4 ounces. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 2. Victorinox Night Vision. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Arabic numerals mark the 3, 9, and 12 o'clock positions. 24-hour markings. Minute markings around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Locator light. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Round case shape. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band length, 7.75 inches. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Number 1. Victorinox V241957 watch. Display, analog. Functions, date, 3 hands. Movement, quartz. Crown, thread. Water resistance, 20 bar. Case material, titanium. Strap, resin. Glass, sapphire. Dial color, black, yellow, green. Color needles, yellow, black. Bracelet color, black, green, yellow. Diameter without crown, 43 millimeters. Thickness, 13.5 millimeters.